Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Gina Salsabila. I'm from Jakarta Global University, a Bachelor of Electrical Engineering. Here I will explain my research. The title is Prototype of Automatic Fish Type and Quality Sorting Tool based on eye image using the YOLO algorithm. Okay, Indonesia is a country consisting of many islands, has abundant marine and land resources. According to information from the Central Bureau of Statistics (BPS) Indonesia, Indonesia can be considered a maritime country with an area of around 6,400,000 square kilometers, which consists of waters with a coastline of 110,000 kilometers and a land area of 1,900,000 square kilometers. The potential of marine fish production in Indonesia waters is estimated to reach around 6.51 million tons per year, or around 8.2% of the total potential marine fish production throughout the world. Fishers have a crucial role in supporting human life, both, both as a food provider and as an economic driver. As the human population grows, demand for fishery products also increases. This is a challenge in the fishing industry, including in the process of sorting fish based on type and quality. This process involves separating fish based on size, shape, eye color, and other characteristics to ensure that only high-quality fish can be traded on the market. Based on the existing background and research that has been carried out, this research is development of reverse research, namely by creating an automatic sorting tool for the quality and type of fish using image processing. This automatic fish sorter uses various technologies and methods such as image processing, pattern recognition, and artificial intelligence. In this research, the image recognition algorithm used is YOLO to identify and separate fish based on type and quality. The system can replace the human touch of sorting fish manually. Apart from that, this automatic fish sorting can also be equipped with sensor technology that can detect the physical characteristic of fish, such as eye color and fish shape. This allows the tool to identify fish that don't meet quality standard and separate them automatically. With his tool, it is hoped that it can help meet the increasingly high market demand for fish whose quality is maintained. YOLO is an object detection algorithm developed to detect objects in real time in image or video. This algorithm uses a single convolutional neural network to simultaneously make prediction and provide class probability of the detect image. YOLO understands image display as a regression problems and applies deep learning to produce bounding box that surround the object in the image, along with label and confidence scores. Okay, based on the background, then this research used the research and development method to develop the prototype fish sorting tool based on the type and quality of fish. Before starting further research, below is an overview of the suggest flow for this research to illustrate the research process. Okay, based the figure, this research began by identifying the problems that drive the concept of differentiating fresh fish from non-fresh fish and grouping them based on the type. After identifying the problem, the researchers referred to several literature that had discussed similar topics, and from the result of this literature, the research designed component to sort fish based on the type and the quality. After the component design is complete, the next section is the research involves the YOLO algorithm in the controller of the component that has been designed. The arm is the component can be operated according to the research expectation. After writing the program, the research products trial on the prototype that had been designed, where the prototype could run without obstacle or face several problems, such as when detecting fish based on the type and quality. If there in the problem, if there is a problem, the research carries out of evaluation to identify whether the problem is in the series of prototype component, the algorithm being written, or both. After evaluation, research made improve until the prototype function well. After ensuring that the component function properly according to the program, research collect data from the design component parameter involving the type and quality of fish. After the data was collected, research analyzed the data to obtain conclusion from the first parameter test previously. Okay, based on the figure schematic circuit of a prototype fish sorting tool, and in the this is prototype fish sorting. Okay, based on figure schematic circuit, when the power supply is turned on, the step-down module will reduce the voltage enter the ESP32 module. Then the LED, fan processor, and laser light up. This is ESP32 module is a microcontroller that is connected to all input and output components. When the fish enters the conveyor, the power supply will activate the DC motor, which then move the conveyor so that the fish can walk. ESP32 receive input from the ESP32 cam, which function as a fish object catcher and is the process to determine the type of fish detection. Then the EXP32 module also receive input from the TCS 3200 sensor, which function to identify the quality of the fish seen based on the eye color and fish scale or skin. Then the final input is the LDR sensor, which processed by the ESP to determine the position of the fish while is it on the running conveyor. All data, all data obtained from this input will be programmed in the ESP module so that the data classified by the algorithm becomes a reference for the servo, which acts as an output for sorting fish. The reading data will be visible on the LCD. Servomotor movement is the result of a series of processes that occur at the input, process, and output, or IPO stage. In design, the fish sorting tool algorithm based on type and quality. Arduino IDE 2.2.1 software was used from programming and H-Impulse for the fish program, for the fish object recognition program, and data training. To design the algorithm, it needs to be connect to the internet so that the EXP can be connected to the software that will be used. H-Impulse is an AI development platform focused on the developing machine learning models that can be run directly on edge service device, such as microcontrollers, gateway, or other device. This platform allows developers to collect data, process data, and develop machine learning models that suit the edge device use. The convention matrix is used as a basis for measuring model testing the performance on the dataset. This method is a use and a performance evaluation of the training process. Confusion matrix provides information comparing the classification result carried out by the system or models with an actual classification result. Okay, the result and discussion of the research. In the research results, the result obtained from this system were to identify the type from 16 fish samples. The success rate was 100%. Meanwhile, the result of identifying fish quality from egg image of the data from two types of fish obtained a success rate of 100%, and the success rate obtained in the actuator test was 100%. For the AI training result, the precision value was 0.898 or 98%, recall 0.96 or 96%, and F1 score was 0.97 or 97%. The last, from the research, it can be concluded one, in the design fish sorting equipment based on type and quality, a conveyor and 4 servo motors are used which are integrated with LDR and laser sensor to detect the position of the fish and ensure sorting accuracy. Through this system use an ESP 32 cam to take pictures and determine the type of fish, as well as a teacher's 3200 sensor to detect quality based on the scale, and eye color. ESP developed module is used to process input and output. And last, the YOLO algorithm applied to the sorter success in achieve a 100% accuracy rate in detecting the type and quality of fish, showing its effective and reliability in identifying various characteristics of fish based on eye image. Okay, is that enough? Thanks for your attention and I'm sorry for a mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.